Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can claim uh, RMA for your Benq monitor. My model is EX2710Q and the problem with my monitor is the monitor went black and also the problem was in the display board and no menu options like the on-screen display was displaying. So watch the video fully for clear. Head over to BenQ website. If you are from India, it will redirect you to benq.in. Then you have to create your account, create an account for you. On the top right corner, click on create. Then what you have to do is click on account and then you have to click on product registration. Here we have to register our product to our account. Okay, this is just for our safety purpose. Click on product registration and once you have clicked that, you have to enter your serial number along with your invoice details. Okay, once you have done that, you will register your product to your account. After that, go to this website. I will put the link in the description. This shows like all their warranty policy. So for like some problems, you can't claim your warranty, like water spillage or anything else from your side. Okay, fault from your side like a drop. So read all these details and make sure that you can claim warranty for your problem. Okay, to now contact them, there are two options. One is to mail them in this website servicein@benq.com, and the other one is click on contact us and then go to email us. Just fill these details and they will contact you. What I did was I just mailed them on this email ID, that is servicein@benq.com, and they just replied me. Okay, before going into the email, I'll show you date by date the process of claiming the RMA for me. So I found out the problem on 1st November, mailed them on 1st November to the email ID service in at benq.com. Okay, this email ID. What I emailed them was serial number, model number, the fault, along with my invoice, and they replied me on 2nd November. All they asked was my details, and after I replied them with my details, they gave me an RMA number which was on November 2nd. Once the RMA number was given, a service technician from my local service center, which is an Benq authorized service center, visited my home for checking my monitor. For finding out if you have any authorized service center in your city, just head over to the Benq website and click on support. Then go to search repair center, and then now you have to just fill out these details and then click on search. Okay, if you have any service centers, it will be displaying there. If you have any service center, they will provide you on-site service, I think so. And if you don't have any service center, I don't know about the case, since in my city there was a service center available. The service technician from the service center visited my home on November 3rd. Okay, he just checked on the monitor and said that it cannot be serviced and they will provide me a replacement free of cost, which is fully free of cost. Okay, every service is free of cost, and he just gave me a job sheet and went. Okay, I'll just attach the job sheet on the screen. After he went, there was no confirmation message like a mail or anything else from either BenQ or the local service center. So I just again messaged to the BenQ email like the technician visited and there was no update from for the same. Okay, and this was their response for my mail. They tagged some person and asked to give an update, but I never. So the mail for the first update was on November 3rd. Okay, and there was no response from them. So again I mailed them on November 4th. Again there was no response from them. They just tagged some person and there was no reply. For the second mail there was no response. So again I emailed them for the third time, which is on like November 9th. Okay, which is also of no use since they never replied and they just tagged some person. So the last mail I sent them on November 11th. So it's like totally of 4 mail for a single update which they never provided. Okay, this was the very like a poor customer support from them. So after this, what I did was I just found out a number from a tagged person. Okay, a new person was tagged and he provided the number. So I just called him and said my issue, and he just asked my RMA number. The next day he sent me an like a tracking ID. So that's how I found out like my product was already shipped on November 15th. Okay, November 15 the product was replacement product was shipped from Delhi, and I received the product on November 21st. Then the service technician just called me and he came home and they just replaced my monitor, and actually it was a new monitor, and the model number and all the features was the same. So this is how you have to claim. You have to just like keep on like asking them for an update, since after the service technician visited they will just forget about you. They will just they will just get reminded of you only when the product I mean like the replacement product is received. Okay, this is about the replacement, and I don't know the process about the uh, service. If you are a monitor can be serviced, I don't know the process or how many days it takes, but for replacement it took around me like 20 days. So thanks for watching.